So, guys, here we have a proud moment. Captain Sohan Singh here with us, and this is always a joy. This was kind of my dream to meet and thank the actual heroes of our nation. Okay guys, welcome to day 6 of Ride to Ladakh, from Hyderabad to Ladakh, and you can see lavish wedding setting here, beautifully decorated, one of the best decorations I've seen. Even the inside, these guys I think are pretty good in terms of decoration. But the plan today is to head towards Udhampur and maybe we'll make it there, take a couple of days off or maybe one day off at least, clear off all the videos, pending videos. Internet is crucial here. There was no internet, so I couldn't upload any video, but that is the plan for today. The bike is being prepared. Kiran is all ready, geared up. I am ready. So it's we are starting a little early to cover more distance and reach the hotel as soon as possible, maybe by noon time, and then take the day off. So, guys, here we have a proud moment. Captain Sohan Singh here with us, and this is always a joy. This was kind of my dream to meet and thank
the actual heroes of our nation who safeguard us, putting their lives on the line. So thank you so much, sir. It's a pure honor and privilege. We take pride in people like you who sacrifice a lot of time and
Thank you so much, sir.
Sir, how does it feel?
बहुत बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपसे बात करके। ऐसे लग रहा है कि आप इतनी दूर से आए, कहाँ तेलंगाना, कहाँ आंध्र प्रदेश, नाउ इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, नाउ यू आर मूविंग टू पत्नीटॉप, आफ्टर दैट लद्दाख, टू हार्ड।
सर पहले तो एक तो मोटरसाइकिल्स का पैशन है, उसकी वजह से आए हैं, और मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव वाज टू मीट यू पीपल इन पर्सन एंड सल्यूट योर ब्रेवरी एंड करेज। जो इतने दिन से आप विदाउट एक्सपेक्टिंग एनीथिंग यू आर सर्विंग द कंट्री, एंड आई एम श्योर गॉड विल ब्लेस यू फॉर दैट abundantly, you and your family and the rest of the team, everyone, you're going to make our nation proud. You are always making our nation proud. अच्छा, तो अभी यहाँ पे पीसफुल है सर, सिचुएशन थोड़ा सेटल डाउन हो गया है?
टोटली पीसफुल, टोटली पीसफुल।
अच्छा, एंड हाउ डू यू लाइक बीइंग अराउंड दिस हेवनली प्लेस? लाइक हमेशा आप तो, हम लोग के लिए तो ये एकदम लाइक इट इज़ आउट ऑफ दिस प्लेस।
आपके लिए बहुत हार्ड लगता है, टफ लगता है। हम डेली यहीं पे रहते हैं, आते हैं जाते हैं, ड्यूटी करते हैं, जॉब करते हैं, हमारे लिए नॉर्मल है, कोई ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। हाँ, और आपके लिए भी नॉर्मल है, कोई डरने का कोई ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है, आपके लिए भी नॉर्मल है।
लेकिन सुंदर नज़ारा जो मिलता है यहाँ पे, एकदम लाइक हेवनली जैसा, माउंटेन्स एंड लाइक नेचर एट इट्स बेस्ट।
बस अभी आप जस्ट 25 किलोमीटर आप पास करेंगे, आपको वही माउंटेन वैली ऐसे ऐसे मिलेंगे, आप बहुत इंजॉय करेंगे वहाँ पे।
So thank you so much, sir. Salute to you once again. I'm wishing you all the best. So here we have the honorable MLA of.
Yeah, the assembly is dissolved, so I'm the ex-MLA of this constituency, and I mean, there's no election,
Yes,
so
sir.
we don't have an assembly at the moment. Yeah.
But wonderful gentleman with a warm-hearted person who welcomes you with a broad smile. He's an auto enthusiast and a biker himself. Owns the Harley Davidson showroom here, and how I wish I could spend more time here. Maybe we'll come back again, and maybe we can ride together, sir, whenever you are free. But it was so awesome meeting you, and thank you so much for being so kind and spending some quality time with us, sir.
Great meeting you here over this lovely weather here, and behind us is the Trikuta Hills where Mata Vaishno Devi ji is there, and we are right at the foothills of Mata Vaishno Devi, and this is a part of my constituency, and this is one of the best tea joints in Jammu and Kashmir, where the tea is made in earthen pots over logs of wood, and I'm so glad you're going to Ladakh. I wish you all the very best. Ladakh is beautiful, so is Kashmir, and Rudy, you're going to stay in Patnitop, and I'm sure this is going to be a great journey. Looking forward to, as I said, when you come back, do get in touch and visit Jammu, the city of temples.
Yes.
Go around the city of temples. There's so many temples that you really have a good spiritual experience in Jammu as well. In Kashmir, it's the Happy Valley which will welcome you, and Ladakh is one of the best places in the world, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this. But when you're back, come back and be my guest in Jammu.
Thank you so much, sir. It's an absolute honor.
It's an honor meeting you, and I wish you all the very best, and your colleague also,
Kiran.
Kiran also, all the very best. And I wish the Dino Walt all the best. I wish you all the very best. And I have good friends in Hyderabad.
Yes.
Say my hello to them. Varun
Yeah.
is a very good friend of mine.
Prabhu
Prabhu
Kishore.
Kishore. Then I have a friend called Shakil. I have too many friends in Hyderabad. And when you go back, and if they see this video, my hi to them. I have Sabu, I have other people. So God bless you.
Oh, Sabu, you mean Prashant Sabu? Nishant
Yeah,
Sabu.
so wish you all the best, and wish you all the very best.
I'm
And
sharing it right away, sir.
Yeah, welcome to Jammu and Kashmir.
Thank you, sir.
We have had Mr. Rajendra was in Hyderabad. He was the DGP of Jammu and Kashmir. So a lot of good people in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a beautiful city.
Please do come, sir.
I would love to any time for the Hyderabadi biryani.
Yes, sir.
So,
We are guests.
so when you come back, we'll serve you some good Kashmiri food. So then try out the Hyderabadi biryani, and I'm sure both will beat each other.
Yes, thank you.
You've been knocked down and got up again. In a corner, you're surrounded, no defenders. Whoa, you've hid your fury and kept it in. But it's time now, you ignite and turn to embers. Like a phoenix,
So guys, day 6 comes to an end in a thrilling way. What do you say? మొత్తం ప్యాక్ అయిపోయింది అసలు. ఎందుకంటే మేము ఎక్కడెక్కడో ఆగాలనుకున్నాం. We wanted to stop at few places, but we missed that because we had no clue where we were going. We just kept following the Ghat road, and we had to stop at Patni Top. We didn't. We went through the tunnel, came on the other side, and the fuel was running out. It was getting dark. You can see it's pitch dark now, and there was no visibility whatsoever. It started to drizzle. The worst case scenario happened today, but somehow it's like, as Manjeet Singh sir says, the greatest power you have is the willpower. Willpower to, be mentally strong, that you can overcome any situation, and everything falls into place automatically. We found the petrol bunk, we found a hotel. This is Ramban Regency. We rode more than we expected actually. కదా? चलाते गए कहीं रुके इसने. हाँ, 7 बजे शुरू किए, अभी एंड हुआ है, बट हालत खराब हो गई. बट इन अ वे इट इज एडवेंचर, दैट्स व्हाट इट्स सपोज्ड टू बी, एंड वी रियली एंजॉयड दिस डे. इट इज what we memorable day